Hello friends, my name is Mahdi, and in previous session I talked about the hover feature. But in this session I want to explain to you the continuation of the text related to the text. In session 2 I mentioned some text related tags such as p tag, I tag, strong tag, br tag, small tag, big tag, and you can watch that video. And in this session I want to talk about other text tags. The first tag is the q tag, short of the quotation. I write this tag for you. Opening and closing. I close this tag with a slash. This element is for short quotes, useful when you need to put a quote on a web page that does not need a paragraph. For example, I write text inside this tag. For example, my name is Mahdi. Okay, and this tag is usually visible with a quotation marks. I save it. I open my web browser. I refresh this page. Now you see that my text is in quotation marks, and I can't select these marks. Okay. The next tag is sub, which is very practical tag. Sub, short of the subscript. This tag brings our text lower than the text of that line. For example, I write this tag inside the p tag. Okay? I open p tag and I close this tag with a slash. And inside this tag, I write sub tag, opening and closing sub, and I write slash. Okay. For example, I write a text inside p tag and sub tag. Okay. For example, this. And I write subscript here. And here I write text. Okay, I save it. I open my web browser. I refresh this page. Now you see the text inside sub tag. This word is in sub tag is lower than text inside p tag. Okay, and this tag is very practical. Okay. The next tag, which is the opposite of the sub tag, is subtag. Subtag, short of the superscript. This tag displays our posts above the line. For better understanding, I write this tag inside the p tag, like subtag. Okay. P. I close this tag with a slash. This contains. Okay. and I write here subtext okay, and here I write text and superscript. Okay, I save it, I open my web browser, I refresh this page, and now you see that this word is above all, and this tag can be used for chemical equations. For example, I write this P and H sub 2 and I close this tag and I write O and I write sub again and I close this tag. I save it, I refresh this page. Now you can see I write a chemical equation. Okay, let's write next tag. The next tag that is very important and useful is the span tag. For example, we want part of our sentences to have a certain style. To do this, we can use span tag. For example, I write the p tag and put a text inside it and separate my text with span. Okay, I write p tag and I close this like this slash and I write a text in here. My name is Matt. For example, I want separate this word span and here I write span and I close this like this with a slash. For example, I want to change the color of this phrase. I write style and here I write color, 2 dots, and I write red. Okay, I save it, I open my web browser, I refresh this page. Now you can see my text is located and this word has changed color. Okay, this session is over. Thanks for watching. Please support me by subscribe button and goodbye.